Hi friends. First, let us see what happens when we try to add a custom thumbnail when our YouTube channel account is not verified. I have created a channel just for this purpose and added a video to it. First, I go to YouTube Studio app and open a video and try to add custom thumbnail. Now see, this custom thumbnail option is disabled. I can choose from any of the suggested thumbnails but cannot upload my own thumbnail. So when I tap on it, I get a message to add custom thumbnails, verify your account on YouTube on your computer. So friends, we won't need a computer. Let's see how to verify account using this mobile phone itself. So basically, adding a custom is a two-step process. The first step, verification. The second step, upload custom thumbnail to YouTube. So first let's open YouTube from browser. Go to google.com and search YouTube. Log in with your channel ID. Tap the three dots top right and select desktop site checkbox. Now the web page will open as in laptop or PC. Tap on your channel logo top right and select settings from the menu. The feature eligibility tab under the channel option opens up. See that the default features are enabled, whereas the features that require phone verification are not yet enabled. So let's tap here. So the features that require phone verification are videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and API content ID cases. So let's tap on this verify phone number button. So this is step 1 of account verification process. First select your country. Next, how should we deliver verification code to you? Call me, text me. I choose the second option, text me the verification code. Next, enter the phone number and tap submit. So this is step 2. I need to enter the verification code. See, the text message with 6-digit code comes almost immediately. So I enter the verification code and tap submit. And I get this message, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. So both default feature and features that require phone verification, both of them are now enabled. So that account verification part is done and we move on to the next part, adding a custom thumbnail. First open YouTube Studio app and go to any video. Tap the pencil icon at top to edit video details. Now tap on this pencil icon at the left of thumbnail. Now see, the custom thumbnail option is enabled, whereas last time it was disabled. Tap on it. Choose a thumbnail from your phone's gallery and tap select. Then tap save. The images may take a little time to get updated. The thumbnails have now got updated. So we have successfully added our custom thumbnail after account verification. So that was it. Thanks for watching.